सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम।
An old proverb says that you can only learn through experience. But what does experience mean? Experience could be a page you once read in a book, a picture that you once saw. Or if you're very, very lucky, it could mean somebody who helps you through all the processes. Hello and welcome. You're watching NDTV Coca-Cola's Support My School campaign on the special Teachers' Day weekend edition. And we're going to be telling you this story of the Thapkan Government School in Haryana, which is where we are at the moment. This school was revitalized by our efforts, where we gave these students the basic amenities that every student, every child should have. What did it mean for them? Let's tell you their story.
Innovative techniques, enthusiastic students and passionate teachers. The Thapkan Government School in Haryana is a model example of the NDTV Coca-Cola Support My School campaign, a reminder of how training, facilities and exposure can transform the educational experience. The teachers stand out for the extraordinary effort that they put in. A lack of teaching staff means that 9 of them have to divide schedules and teach all the students. Despite the hard work, they constantly move away from stodgy traditional learning to make the classes fun. Even spending hours after class to create a well-rounded education experience.
पीपल के पेड़ के नीचे टीचर पढ़ा सकता है, लेकिन स्कूल को सबसे पहले टीचर देने चाहिए। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पहले, बिल्डिंग से पहले भी टीचर देने चाहिए।
Since the campaign has started rejuvenating the school in terms of infrastructure, sports too have become a priority. The teachers' success can be measured by the fact that the children look forward to coming to school.
हम रोजाना आते हैं, खेल लेते हैं, घर मन नहीं लगता है।
मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ाते हैं, मज़ा आता है पढ़ने में, स्कूल आने में मज़ा आता है।
हमें स्कूल पढ़ने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, हमें घर भी मन नहीं लगता, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है स्कूल पढ़ने में। हम स्कूल रोज़ाना स्कूल आते हैं और नहा के खिलाते हैं और बहुत सी सुविधाएं हो चुकी हैं और बहुत से खेल लग चुके हैं। हमें बैडमिंटन बहुत पसंद है।
At Thapkan, quality facilities are provided to students so that they can arrive at their fullest potential. Basic facilities for the lack of which many students across India suffer, even drop out. A state-of-the-art library, serviced washrooms, water and electricity all through the day. A lot has been done in Thapkan, but there is a long way to go. More than 50% of the students here are girls, but there isn't a single woman teacher, something that the authorities recognize as a problem. But the teachers say they try to fill up the gap with empathy and understanding, and above all, good teaching.
क्लास ख़त्म होने के बाद में हमारे हेडमास्टर साहब हैं, वो भी काफ़ी वक्त लगाते हैं, यहाँ पर रहते हैं और किसी भी अध्यापक से अगर वो कहते हैं वो भी यहाँ समय निकालते हैं और शाम तक बच्चों के साथ खेल के प्रोग्राम चलते रहते हैं।
Thapkan is one of the many schools in which the NDTV Coca-Cola campaign has provided infrastructural support. Support apart, what makes schools like this work is dedication. Students who battle all odds typical of rural poor families to come to school, and teachers who validate those battles with dedication.
Being a teacher is difficult enough as it is. It becomes even more difficult if there are other impediments in your way. One of these impediments could be, like it is for Raju Kheer, physical. And despite that, he hasn't lost an iota of his passion, his willpower, or his ability to forge ahead and do what he loves so much.
Raju Kheer cycles daily from home to his primary government school in Bagot village, some 80 kilometers from Bhopal. He's been suffering from polio since he was 3, but never let that come in the way of his education and desire to teach children in this remote part of Madhya Pradesh.
सर बच्चों को पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ सर, मैं उनका भविष्य बनाना चाहता हूँ सर। मुझे पढ़ाई का बहुत शौक है, पढ़ाने के बच्चों का, इसलिए मैं बच्चों को पढ़ाऊँ मैं और आगे बढ़े बच्चे, और मैं सर पढ़ाने का मुझे बहुत शौक है।
But fulfilling his dream is not easy. Raju works as a temporary teacher for ₹100 a day, the money being barely enough to meet the expenses of his family of 7. So after school, Raju repairs punctures of bicycles and motorbike for that little extra income to make ends meet. But he isn't ready to look for a full-time job at the cost of his first love, teaching.
आज की तारीख में अगर कोई और काम मिलता है, अच्छा काम आता है, बोलते हैं शिक्षक आप जो हैं वो छोड़ दिए पढ़ाई लिखाई का काम।
सर नहीं, शिक्षक का काम सबसे अच्छा है, उससे गांव साक्षर होगा, देश साक्षर होगा।
सर ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना, मारते हैं, कहानी पढ़ते हैं।